Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you already know, but Taylor Swift just released her 8th studio album, Folklore, about a week ago. So today I'm going to be doing some folklore-inspired nail art, mainly inspired by the album cover, which is a black and white photo of her in the middle of the woods. So I'm going to start off with UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. And since the background of the album cover is white, I'm going to be painting all of my nails with a white polish, and here I'm using Butter London's Cotton Buds. I'm actually going to be stamping on the trees, so I'm going to use my TWINKLED's mini hollow head stamper and HARUNOUTA's L071 stamping plate. I'll start with the lighter trees that are in the background, and I'm going to use All Hearts for the Love of Grace to stamp this smaller tree trunk image. And if you don't have the stamping plate, you could also try painting these tree trunks by painting vertical lines with the detail brush and these gray polishes. And moving on to the trees in the foreground, I'm going to use a darker gray polish, this one is Butter London's Earl Grey, to stamp this larger tree trunk image. And then I'm going to stamp that on top of the lighter gray tree trunks. And once I remove any excess polish that got onto my skin, I'm going to apply a fast drying top coat. This one is Butter London's Hardwear Shine UV Top Coat. So here are my finished folklore inspired nails. If you want to create more of a misty effect, or if you don't have multiple shades of gray polish, I want to show you how you can achieve a very similar look. For this, I'm using a translucent milky white polish, and this one is Salon Perfect's Pillow Talk. For the misty effect, all you need to do is apply one coat of the milky white polish on top, and this is going to help tone down the dark gray shades. And if you want to create a layered look using just one shade of a dark gray or a black polish, you can just apply one coat of this milky white polish after each layer of trees, and this is going to give the illusion that the trees you painted or stamped first are lighter in color and more in the background rather than in the foreground. But anyways, that's all for my Taylor Swift folklore-inspired nail art. I'd love to hear what you think about the album. Have you listened to it? Do you like it? What's your favorite song? Leave me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And if you recreate this design, I'd love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. Anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!